Welcome back everyone. In today's tutorial, we are stepping things up a notch and diving into some slightly more advanced bioinformatics analysis. We're going to run through two powerful tools in this workflow. First, DeepKOALA, which gives us accurate KEGG Orthology, also known as KO assignments from genome data. And then, we will jump into SRPlot to generate a clean, publication-ready pathway summary. So if you are ready to turn raw sequence data into meaningful biological insights, let's get started. Now, copy the web page URL and paste it into your preferred web browser to access the site. For DeepKOALA analysis, a protein FASTA file is required. If you're not sure how to get this file, please refer to my earlier video where I explain how to generate it step by step. Enter your email on the platform, then click Compute to start the analysis. You will need to confirm the computation via your email. Otherwise, the platform will not proceed with the analysis. Click on the link to initiate the computation. You will be notified via email once the job is completed. Click the link to access the results. You can download the assignment results here. For today's assignment, we need to download the results from KEGG Mapper. Copy the full list. Today, I will only be showing a small fraction of the results for demonstration purposes. Next, paste the list into Excel, and then carry out the data processing just like what I'm showing here. Add description and gene count to the first row of your data list. Copy the list and paste it into SRPlot under the pathway summary section. You can adjust parameters such as color coding, font size, and font type. Once you're done, click Submit. You can then view and download your results for publication or reporting purposes. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or inquiries, drop us a message in the comments below. We'll be happy to help and respond as best as we can. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more content.